Welcome, I'm filming the Huawei P40 Pro Plus, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on the device. So to get started, hold power key, keep holding it till you see the boot options right here, and from here select power off. Once the device shuts off, you want to then hold power key and volume up, both of them at the same time. Now you want to keep holding them till you see the Huawei logo on the screen. It should be right about now. There we go. So you can let go. And from here, simply tap on clear data, then wipe cache partition. This will begin, and as you can see, it's fairly quick. Once it's done, you want to tap on back, restart, and simply wait for the device to boot back up. And we're now back. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.